Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Hingle from Sarah's Confident Beauties, and today I'm going to show you a eyeshadow palette look using this palette that I've named Soft Seashells, and it uses Crafty, which is a light lavender satin, Fanatical, which is a bronze shimmer, Trusting, which is a light lavender shimmer, and Optimistic, which is an ivory shimmer. So the first color I'm going to use today is called Crafty, which is the light lavender satin. I'm going to use that with our deluxe brush to as kind of a transition color. And kind of just get it right over my crease. And I'm just going to build that color. That is what I love about these pigments, that you can build them to your desired result. You can use as much color or as little color as you like. It depends on what look you're trying to go for. Again, this is a light lavender satin. Little bit more. Super, super pretty though. I love this color. Gonna do the other side, of course. Just build on that color. Build, build, build. Super, super pretty. Can I kind of get it all over the lid, but I will probably use another color on top. Okay, so that is Crafty. The next color I'm going to use is Fanatical, which is this bronze shimmer color, and I'm going to use that with our brush that I cannot find. There it is. Our crease brush to kind of deepen up that outer corner. There we go, other side. So, a little bit more on this side. A little bit more. Okay, so that again is Fanatical, this bronze shimmer. The next color I'm going to use is called Trusting, which is a light lavender shimmer, very light lavender. I'm going to use that all over the center of my lid. I'm going to use a sponge brush to kind of pack that in. Add a nice shimmer. Go a little back over here, a little bit more over there. A little bit more. And the last color I'm going to use is Optimistic, which is this nice ivory shimmer. And I'm going to use kind of a blending brush just to kind of lightly highlight under my brow. Other side. And then I'm going to blend them together. So add some blending. A nice soft purple, kind of purpley, a little bit of bronze look. Very pretty combination. So I'm gonna throw on some mascara quick, and then I will show you the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you enjoy these videos, I will be making more. So thanks again. Bye.